Some of you have been coming to my DMs still asking me if I have ever dreamed of becoming an actor or comedian or anybody or an artist. Yeah. First of all, my comedy is my passion. I love comedy. My inspirator is Mr. Bean and Charlie Chaplin. And also William Last from South Africa. That is mentally good, stable artist. And also I'm also a good singer. Artist, I think hip hop. My inspirator is Cheese Word 999. We gotta say that we have wishing well, we got a robbery, we got a hate me, we got a wasted, we got all guys are same, we got a lucid dreams, we got all that other stuff. 464 songs of Jesus. I love them. Also, I love to rap, Central C. Obsessed, homophobic and all that. I love. So my dream is to, but I don't have passion. I love passion in everything, but I don't like focus with one circumstance. So I gotta do here something, get on the counseling about everybody and also teach Swahili. Also I have IQ above 100. You know, Mr. Bean has IQ 160 something. So why not me? I have IQ of about 100, even though I'm a black personnel. Nigga from La Liga. Ah, hey nigga, hey nigga.